Alright guys, so we are here at part 2, day 2, whatever you want to call it, and I went to Lowe's and grabbed some things. I want to try to remove the carpet and the goop, so I grabbed some Goof Off Pro Strength remover. I bought a gallon, it was 20 bucks. I have a spray bottle and I have gloves. So this is what I'm going to start with, but first I need to clean off the deck of this old carpet. For right now, I'm just going to put it in a box, get it off the deck. All this carpet has pretty much dry rotted, so I want to get as much off as I can. Yeah, it just comes right off. So you know what? I think I'm just gonna go grab a scraper and try to scrape what I can off, because as you can see, this stuff is coming up really, really easy. Alright, so we'll try this one first. This metal scraper. Oh, I mean, it just comes up like awesome. Look at that. Wow. Y'all, this is coming up like butter. And the majority of the adhesive is as well. Sweet. Coming up a lot easier than I thought it was gonna. It's awesome, guys. That plastic scraper would not have done well. Does that come off? Oh, yeah, it just comes right off. Alright. That makes it easy to get under there. Yeah, holes for the trolling motor, so that's good. Man, this is coming up like butter, guys. This is awesome. Look at all that dirt and debris and gook. It's awesome, guys. Look at how easy that came up. Now it's just a matter of spraying that Goof Off stuff down and getting rid of all the adhesive and starting to work my way back on the boat. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up and spray some of that stuff, and then I need to go get my daughter. So I'll be back shortly. Right on. Alright guys, so I decided to spray some of that goof off stuff on there already before I left, and it's already dried. So I need to put more on and completely saturate that stuff because it dried very quick. It was completely wet and now it's dry. So I'm going to have to hit it so it seems quite a few times in order for that stuff to actually penetrate through that adhesive stuff. But I could be wrong. Maybe it's soaked in already and I can just take a scraper and scrape it off. Let's check real quick. I got a minute. Alright, so I'll try a little section in the sun. Where am I gonna not be in the sun in the direct light of the tripod? So right here, I guess we'll focus on that spot right here. Yeah, that stuff is coming off, but it's caked on. So I think if I spray that and let it dry like 2 more times, that stuff should have no problems coming up. So it's working, but it could be a lot quicker if I saturate it really, really good with that stuff. So we're gonna let that sit and we'll be back and spray some more. I'm excited about getting this clean, guys. Okay guys, so here is the scoop. This adhesive is being a pain in the butt to get off. So what I've done is I've got about 90%, 95% of the carpet scraped up and put into a container. So what I need to do next is take the doors off, get the carpet from around the edges and the inside, and take the doors off, get all of the carpet cleaned up on the edges, take the hardware off, and clean the doors up really good. And I'm probably gonna have to take some plywood and make patterns of the actual metal door. So I'm waiting to get a shop vac so I can clean up all of this, get all that dust and crap off of there. I might be able to use a broom and a dustpan, but I would feel much better about using the shop vac. So I'm going to spray some more of this cleaner that I have bought and show you where it has worked. So if I spray this on here, you can see all the areas where the adhesive has come off for the most part. So you can kind of see I've taken off this much of this space and a good percentage of over here. So it's time consuming. Using a metal scraper is a lot better than using a plastic one. Lowe's, it was cheap, and I'm slowly working away at the adhesive to get it off, and I want to just get it as saturated as I can so it will come off. So I hope that you have enjoyed day 2. I have been working really hard at trying to get this adhesive up. My next option is to get a pressure washer and just pressure wash the crap out of it. If the paint comes off, it's not a big deal because I'm going to be sanding it all down and laying down a coat of a special kind of layer that I saw at Lowe's, which we'll get to a little bit later on. But as of right now, I needed to focus on getting all of this crap off of the boat, taking the hardware off, the seat post, the locks. There's a antenna over here in this corner. I'm not sure what it's for. But that way, at least I have something to work with. I will have to figure something out with the plywood. So, when this boat was new, it was an expensive piece of equipment. So, it may take a little bit of time, but in the end, it's going to be totally worth it. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out today. If you liked the video, hit that like button, leave a comment below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. 200 fresh subscriber giveaway coming up. So, I love you guys. You know the deal. Live long, love hard, catch fish. Peace.